Hi there, my name is Patrick Farrell. The Mindvalley AI Summit was great. It was definitely very inspirational towards what you can actually build with technology and make your business run more effectively and easier so you can actually stay in your power and do the gifts you're meant to bring into the world while you allow the AI to actually more run the day-to-day operations and help with marketing and help with content creation. So it was definitely very inspiring to see all the stuff and the tools that they were giving us. I'm big on content creation. Actually, helping people become content creators is an important part of my business because I'm really interested in helping people shine their light out in the world, become entrepreneurs, and help them create their purpose-driven business. So I'm going to use those tools to help me create content faster, help me organize my content, help me get new ideas for content, and just actually grow my reach on social media as well. So I like the idea of the Mindvalley Summit because it brings people together to work on a common purpose and learn a skill together. It's also why I like Mindvalley University, because we are working together towards accomplishing a common goal of building a better life, becoming entrepreneurs, growing our businesses, and I really think that people need other people going through the same thing so that they feel confident in doing it themselves too.